Hey guys, welcome to the video about the Easy Backlink Indexer. As stated before in another video, you can use this for two different things. If you have a lot of URLs that have your backlinks on them and they are not indexed, a lot of people tend to want to backlink those URLs to help those backlinks get indexed. You can also use this if you have a rather large site and you want to do a massive amounts of deep linking. You can use that for this as well. So I'm going to I'm not going to run the bot for this just because it's pretty self-explanatory once you get into it. Obviously you have your email address and you have your password. So you will put your email address and password there. And then articles to post. What this does is if you want to post 3 articles or 5 articles or 1 article per URL, you can. So you pick how many articles you want to post per URL. I lost my track of thought. I'll come back to that. Then I have keyword prefixes. This is not the keyword that it will search for in eZine. The keyword it'll use for eZine articles will be the keyword that is uploaded through the mass keyword uploader tool. This will actually get added onto your anchor text. If you want to have a large variety of anchor text, perhaps you have dog food and you just don't want to have dog food, but maybe you have dog food for all your sites, all the way down the same, keyword. You can spin like best or greatest or amazing. And those 3 words will get added onto your anchor text, giving you a great amount of anchor text variety. The same thing applies for the keywords suffixes. You can be like facts, information, data. So basically, now once all your URLs are being linked to your anchor text, it'll say best dog food information. Then maybe the next one will say greatest dog food data. And so you will have a huge variety of keywords and anchor text, thus helping you with the Google Panda update, because one of those things mentioned in the Panda update was that people are limiting themselves to only 3 variations of anchor text. Well, Google know that's contrived because not everyone is going to link the exact same anchor text for a URL. So this gives you the opportunity to increase the amount of anchor text going out on the network, and will give you a better variety. Now, one very important thing to remember when using this: once you put your keyword prefixes in, right after the last letter of each word, you want to put a space. Because that is before the word, and you want to add a space. You don't want to have just 2 words combined. And now it's the opposite for the suffixes. You want to add a space before each word because it's going on the end of your initial keyword. And then that's the way it's supposed to be. That's perfect right there. I remember what I was going to say with the 1 through 5 article posts, and the minute I started bringing that up, the minute I forgot again. So we're going to move on to the mass URL uploader. This is a very simple tool, and I'm going to show you how you will I'm going to show you what the text file should look like. So let me minimize this. And I'm going to go to URLs, and I just have some URLs in there. Lava Links, Google, Yahoo, each separated with a space. And since I'm here, I'm going to show you the keywords, what they should look like. And notice the keywords are matched on the same line as each of the URLs. It'll search for this URL, it's going to search for link building and eZine, pull articles, 3 or how many articles you choose, 1 through 5, and then it'll then link this with this keyword. You want to make sure you got the HTTP in front of it, and like I said, it will link this keyword with the URL, and it'll also add the prefixes and suffixes if you put those in. A small feature, and this is for people who really want to get involved, you can actually go ahead and you can actually spin these just like this, because this will give you a variety of anchor text to those articles as well, and it'll also rotate the search terms so it's not always the same, but you don't have to do that if you want to. Those are probably for people who really want to get involved. So let me delete that. I'm going to close and save this. Close and save this. Or didn't make any changes. Let's see what I want. Okay, so all you do now is you hit the browse button, you find your list of URLs, open, and then you do the same for your keywords. And then you have the author first name and last name, which if you watched the last video is the exact same thing. And it's the same thing with the add code 1 and add code 2 as well. Once you have everything in there, just push play and you can walk away. It'll just go down the list and it'll take care of all your backlinking indexing needs. And that is the end of this video. And in the next video, if you want to promote original content, I will show you how to do that. Thanks.